Disclaimer: the following YTP is made for entertainment purposes. Music and movie scenes used in this YTP belong to their respective owners, and all other sound effects used as well. Anyways, enjoy.
The following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate. Except for Turkey. That part is totally fiction.
Holidays. The one thing they all have in common? Food. Like Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal. Ah! My name's Reggie, by the way. I've tried to warn them. You don't get it! They're fattening us up so they can eat us!
It's such a beautiful day.
This is the best day ever.
Probably the best day of my life.
Hey, come on!
I'm not gonna dress it up. Turkeys are dumb.
Hey guys, check it out.
Turkeys are...
Hey! Percy's going to Turkey?
Turkey.
Go, Percy, you lucky son of a...
See what I mean?
Our world is made of corn.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed.
Fire corn!
That's an awesome theory, but I think they actually call that the sun.
You didn't have to cut me off. Like that. We were nothing.
Out.
You want to fly, Bobby?
I guess it's just you and me.
That's our mission. Not to save 10 turkeys or even 10 turkeys, but all of them. We're going back in time to turkeys to get turkeys off. That's right. We're going back in time to turkeys to get turkeys off.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here. He totally gets it.
Decontamination complete.
What is that?
Ow! It's a map, you idiot!
A map. Will it lead us to the time machine?
They aren't gonna just write time machine on the...
Where is it?
Ow! It's, oh. We follow the blue line.
The blue line, of course.
Of course! We'll both follow the blue line and get to the time machine and stop Turkey.
What is that?
Ow! Witness the awesome power of the pardoned turkey.
Get back!
What's up, brother?
Should we report this?
Too much paperwork. Let's roast them.
Copy that.
Chrononaut 1, are you ready to be the first human being to travel through Turkey?
Yes, sir! He better be. Chances of survival are almost zero.
Wait, you never said anything.
That's on a need-to-know basis, sir.
I just want to go back to being a pardoned turkey. Add slippers. Slippers.
What are you doing? I've got this completely under control. Are you crazy? You've had nothing under control. It's an old TFF trick. It's called sound.
Bruh.
Control, we have a contaminant in chamber 47.
Copy that. What type, Agent?
Turkey, sir. How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce. Funny, right?
But seriously.
My destiny has pizza and on demand!
Contamination detected.
Freeze that image, soldier!
What's the problem?
Turkey, sir.
Yeet! I am not going up there.
I'm not going out there.
I'm definitely... Oh.
Sorry, bro.
What's going on? What's going on? Help!
What have we done?
Greetings. I am STEVE, Steve, your space-time exploration vehicle envoy.
Obviously. Now, take us to Turkey.
Destination set.
No.
And please hold on for re-entry.
Hey guys, it's Slayer. Before the video ends, I want to give a special thanks to some friends on Discord listed here for being the first ones to react to the original version, and those who gave feedback and ideas. And as of this recording, it is also my birthday, as this is my first official video, and I am really proud of it. Anyways, leave a comment if you enjoyed, or if you want to wish me a happy birthday. Like and subscribe if you would like to. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in part 2. Have a good one. Peace.